Today, we're slicing, mixing, cleaning, frying, and finishing it all off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Today, we're making a chicken salad with fresh vegetables, sautéed bell peppers, and a rich balsamic dressing. For this dish, we'll need the following ingredients. Let's start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Season the chicken with salt. A pinch of black pepper goes in next. Now pour in the soy sauce. Give everything a good mix and let it marinate for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove the seeds from the bell pepper. Slice the pepper into thin strips. Heat up the pan and fry the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. Flip it over and cook for another 5 minutes. Once done, take the chicken out of the pan. In the same pan, toss in the bell pepper and fry for about 3 minutes. Lay down a bed of fresh lettuce on the plate. Add sliced tomatoes on top. Now add the fried bell pepper. Follow with the chicken. Drizzle everything with balsamic vinegar. Finely chop some fresh dill. Sprinkle the dill over the salad. And finish it off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And that's it! A simple, quick, and really delicious salad is ready. Enjoy your meal!